I'm Asian, as you know, so we eat rice. That's usually our meal for lunch and dinner. It's usually part of our meal for lunch and dinner. For breakfast, it's usually cereal. So I'm going to teach you how to make rice. First, you have to get at least 4 or 3 scoops. Then next, where's the cap? There. Okay, then you have to wash it. You also have to measure how much. It should be to about here. So if it's there, it's good. Then you have to wash it more. And when you think you're done, you can either do it more if you think it needs more washing or put it straight in the rice cooker. And whenever you put it in the rice cooker, whenever you're plugging in, always make sure your hands are extra dry. Usually I wash it one time, then I wash it more, but that time don't pour it out. I just measure it and put it straight in the rice cooker. Have to pour it out, I think. Now make sure whenever you're pouring it out, you don't do it too fast, or else all the water will go with it. And the reason you have to measure it, if it's overflowed, the water will come with it and go out. You mean the rice? The rice will go with it and fall out. You can have a little bit of water in it. Still, you can still have a little bit of water in it. Right now, I'm trying to measure the rice because, like I said, you don't want the water to overflow with it. I think right now it's kind of too much water, so I'm gonna pour it out just a tiny bit. That's good. Make sure you don't plug the rice cooker before putting it in. Some terrible stuff. Terrible stuff can happen. I forget. I'm not the expert at this right now. I've just barely learned anything. So, there. Now just cook. And it's ready. Remember, you always have to put it down, or however you put it on cook, you have to do that. That was Rice Cooking 101. Feel free to like, dislike, or comment. Thanks. Kids, don't cook rice alone. You need supervision from your parents or any adult.